It's a hippity hoppity hoo. It's a bippity boppity boo. I'm filming for
Stop it.
I'm filming for Home Topic. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, it's not a time for hippity hoppity. Oh. Oh no. I was gonna go hippity hop and dance around. I just hope Dr. Flavor doesn't come around here. Anyway, now what are we gonna do? I was gonna show you a hippity hoppity dance. Well, anyway, welcome to Home Topics. You're on my show. If you've been watching this, that means you like our quality videos. The quality. But hey, you guys want to check out this vacuum cleaner? Where is it? There it is. Check it out, you guys. Come check it out. That's my vacuum cleaner. When we want to clean up, maybe let's say there's something on the carpet. Something on the carpet. What are we gonna do? Well, check it out, guys. We're gonna clean it up with that vacuum cleaner. I guess you could say. Watch this. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Take this vacuum. Vroom, vroom. Like that. You just take the vacuum cleaner, clean up the carpet, and that's the way it rolls. Anyway, I was gonna do a hippity hoppity dance for you guys, but looks like it's not a good time for that. So I just introduced you guys to my vacuum cleaner. Yes, that's what you guys get on Home Topics. That's what you guys get on Home Topics. It's quality videos. An explanation about what you guys get to see. An explanation on Home Topics. Home Topics. Home Topics. Home Topics.